guys, I'm Ritika. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy that you guys are enjoying all of the videos. So I thought of doing a haul, like a huge haul. I ordered some stuff from Ajio and this is not a sponsored video. I'm just showing you guys what I got. I actually ordered this during Diwali time and I wanted to show you guys what I got because abhi वैसे festive season ही चल रहा है यार. There are so many weddings, so many different functions going on. So I thought of doing a festive haul. So this is the no. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
That I can be the one, if that is what I want. Your days are gone, you had your little fun. Now.
Okay, so the first thing that I got is this white anarkali and I really love it. It has a beautiful motif here. You can see the mirrors and it has abhi bhi crackers पड़ रहे हैं बाहर. And it has different golden block prints all over the suit, which I really like. And I personally love white and black kurtas, like long kurtas. और यहाँ पर जब वो चूड़ीदार बोलते हैं ना, if I'm not wrong, चूड़ीदार बोलते हैं हाँ. तो यहाँ पर जैसे sleeves ऐसे इकट्ठी हुई होती है ना, I really love it. And I think अगर आप वो basic किसी चुन्नी के साथ भी डाल लो ना, वो इतना pretty लगता है. And I wanted one for a really long time. So finally मैंने Ajio से order करा. This is actually from Project Eve and I got it in small size because medium मिल नहीं रहा था. So I got this in small size. Next up I got this dhoti pant from Ajio and this is from a brand called Demoza. So funny. I got this in large size. Yeah, इसमें I think medium available नहीं था, so I got this in large size. And I think ये चल जाएगा because यहाँ पर elastic band है, तो मैं अपने waist के according adjust हो जाएगा, इतना कुछ issue नहीं है. But I got this in this green, bottle green color which I love. And I think dhoti pants are so versatile. अगर आपको fusion wear का कोई idea नहीं है और आपको पता नहीं है but आपको fusion wear बहुत पसंद है, get a dhoti pant और उसके ऊपर आप crop top डाल लो, उसके ऊपर आप short कुर्ती डाल लो, उसके ऊपर आप long कुर्ती भी डाल लो ना, everything looks good with a dhoti pant and I really love it. Next up I got this olive green skirt and I really love the style of it. It has like tribal feel all over and यहाँ पर the belt is amazing and I think यहाँ जो embroidery और tassels और पूरा जो work हुआ हुआ, that is the star of the show. So it looks so pretty and it's so colorful. This is like me in a skirt. So yeah, I'm really excited to wear it. I think it'll look really cool with a basic top as well, like a white or black top or with kimonos. Next up, wait, ये तो मैंने निकाला भी नहीं है, I have to show you. Next up, I got this neck piece and I really love this. Not gonna lie, थोड़ा सा expensive था. So all of the pieces are handmade and it's a vintage neck piece. So everything is very unique, which I really love. I love it's like a statement neck piece and it's so pretty. I haven't seen anything like this before. मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसा तो कभी भी नहीं देखा है मैंने ऐसे. And I so wanted to get this. I think if you wear a deep V-neck, you can just wear this. I think इसके साथ भी कितना cute लग रहा है. But it has pom-poms all over, tassels and really love the color also. Not gonna lie, it's quite expensive for a neck piece. I think 2000 or 3000 rupees ka tha. So that's a bummer, but yeah, this is so pretty. I've been really loving lavender these days, so I got this very cute top. So this is a smoked crop top and it's so cute and pretty and you just tie the straps like this. And yeah, this is really cute and I really love the color. I got this for 600 rupees. I told you guys I've been obsessed with white kurtas and anarkali, so I got this white kurta because there are so many different ways to style a kurta, I feel, and you should definitely have one or two in your closet. So I got this one and it's very basic, plain. There's nothing going on here, but there are million different ways to style it, so I got this one. Next up I got this floral pleated woven skirt and it's a really pretty skirt and you can see a pattern here. मैंने सब कुछ white में लिया है because I'm so obsessed with white recently and I think white के साथ ना अगर आप silver jewelry पहनो ना, oh my god, it looks just too pretty. So I got this and इसके साथ मैं body suit try कर सकती हूँ और silver jewelry try कर सकती हूँ and then I can even go for a crop top. I can even wear a short kurta and go for loose curls and smoky eye and silver jewelry. I'm just making up outfits in my head, but I'm so excited to get this skirt. I feel I get such good pieces from Ajio. If you're looking for fusion wear, please go and check out their website. They have amazing stuff and हर time sale चल रही होती है, so you get outfits at reasonable prices as well. So you just have to look through, and उनका जो indie section है, you can get really beautiful ethnic pieces from the indie section. So this is originally for 5,000 rupees and I got this for 2,500 rupees, which is a great deal, I think. This is from W. Next up, I got this very beautiful green and white skirt from Ajio, and this is in shibori print. Shibori is a Japanese dyeing technique. The belt is so pretty. They have all the embellishments here on the belt. Mirrors, buttons, thread work. I really love this skirt and it looks so pretty. Can't wait to wear it. So this is originally for 3,000 rupees and I got this for 800 rupees, and it's such a pretty skirt. I can't wait to style it. I think I am going to get a lot of use out of it, and yeah, this is just so boho and this is so me. Love it. Next up, I got this long jacket slash kimono, and it has shells all over. Like, it has a very basic print all over, very thin intricate print. Just take a wild guess. I got this for 700 rupees, guys, and I think it's such a good deal. This is a long jacket and I think I'm going to wear it a lot. There are days when you don't want to dress up, or there are days when you feel bloated. Just wear a kimono or a long jacket and you're good, avoiding problems. So I got another skirt from Project Eve. The brand is Project Eve and I got this from Ajio. So this is originally 2,300 rupees, but I got this for 1,100 rupees. This is what it looks like. It's a floral flared pleated skirt and it's huge and heavy. Like, you just wear a tight top, like a crop top or a bustier, and you wear a kimono over it and you're sorted. And the color is so pretty. It's plush and peach and white all mixed together. This is so cute. Next up, I wanted to get a dhoti pant, black dhoti pant, because why not? Black goes with everything and everyone should have one in their closet. So I got this from a brand called Dimoza. I think ये green वाला धोती भी उसी brand का था. I got this in large size. So this is what it looks like. It's black, it's basic, goes with a lot of stuff. You should definitely have one in your closet, and it's just for 477 rupees. Next up, I got this jacket in this pinkish color, and guys, I've been obsessed with mirror work lately, and lately तो नहीं, मतलब कभी से ही मैं mirror work से obsessed हूँ. So I got this jacket slash kimono, and it has mirror work all over, like you can see, and it's so pretty. Just the color, and it's so, like, it gives earthy and ethnic vibes, which I really like. And fusion wear का यही होता है. You mix the western pieces with the ethnic pieces, and it looks so beautiful. I love fusion wear, so I got this jacket and I think I'm going to wear this a lot. This was for 2,500 rupees and I got this for 1,000 rupees. Next up, I got one more jacket. This is a white jacket and it has buttons all over and बीच में mirror लगा हुआ है. It has colorful thread work. Buttons नहीं है, colorful thread work है. Goes all over the jacket and you can see like red, green, yellow. And it's so pretty. It has mirrors all over the jacket and it's an open jacket slash kimono, and yeah, it's white in color, very basic but still a really good piece. So this was originally for 2,000 rupees and I got this for 580 rupees, guys. I'm telling you, you need to shop, you need to go online and check stuff for yourself. They have such amazing pieces and at such affordable prices as well. Next up, I got this kurta slash dress. So this is a Bagru print and it's really popular in Rajasthan, and if you know me, I love textiles, I love mirror work, I love embroidery, I love anything ethnic and fusion. So this is what I got. This is originally 4,000 rupees and I got this for 1,600 rupees. I think it's such a deal. I think it's really amazing and the fabric is also really nice. This is what I got. Next up, I got these earrings, these silver earrings. You guys know I love silver jewelry and I recently did a video which did really well and you guys loved it. I read all the comments. Yes, part 2 will come really soon. If you want to go check out the video, go check out the video. I talk about my silver jewelry collection and where to get it. So this is a new addition in my silver jewelry collection and I really love it. It has like a painting here and then a motif outside. So pretty. It's very lightweight. This is originally 2,700 but I got this for 1,000 rupees, which I still think is quite expensive. You can find cheaper pieces on Myntra, but I really wanted to get a similar design, so I got this. Last but not the least, I got these heels. Whenever I go out, whenever I'm wearing fusion dresses, I don't really have like good heels to go with it. So I got this in black color. And this is originally 2300. You will be shook. Wait, I'll tell you the price. I got this for 844 rupees, which is so amazing. And these are just basic black mules, and I think you can wear them with literally everything and anything, and black obviously goes with everything. This is the last product that I got. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please comment down below which is your favorite product. And I just wanted to keep a secret giveaway जो यहाँ तक end तक video में आया उनके लिए. Comment down below which is your favorite product from the entire haul. I have a little gift for you guys, so I'll be sending you that, and maybe I'll send you something from my Ajio haul as well. You never know. Just get, sorry for that. You never know. Just get excited, and all you have to do is just comment which is your favorite product. And this is our little secret. I'm not going to post it anywhere, so make sure you comment down below and I'll be selecting one winner randomly. I know this is nothing, but this is just my way of saying thank you and love you because of the amazing response on all of the videos and your sweet comments on all the vlogs. I love you guys so much, and you guys motivate me to do much better in my life, and you guys are the main reason that I'm working so hard. And yeah, that's about it. बहुत बोल लिया मैंने. This is the longest outro. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. अगर नहीं करा तो please अभी जाके करो. Okay, bye.